Hey everyone, I have a Samsung here and the charging port is broken. So, and I've been using this thing here. So it's a wireless charger. You're supposed to stick it here, and it worked for a while. Nah, I bought it on eBay. Yeah, it worked for a while. Now it's not charging anymore. So in the back here, the top side here is the positive. These two holes here, there's positive here and negative in the bottom. So what you do now, I made another hack, don't get crying, is I spliced the USB cable. Splice the USB cable, and inside here, if you just slice it, there's 4 wires. You only need 2 wires, the black and the red. Red is positive, black is negative, and I wrap it in tape and I put alligator clamps. So what I'm gonna do is attach another wire here. So like this, I got this type of wire. So I'm just gonna put here and tape it. One there and the positive here. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I use this for something else too. So I just attach another wire here, positive here, negative here. So I'm just gonna tape this, make it secure. So I'm gonna put electrical tape just to keep that secure. Turn on the phone. I made a connection tight, so it's loading, and still red or orange the color there. That will turn green once the phone is done charging. Right now it sees that thing there. You can see. Let's see. Focus, man, focus, focus, focus. Alright, as you can see, there's a green battery sign on the left and a charging sign on the battery right there. So it's working. See, it turns red. That one turns red. Camera can pick it up, but it's red. And when I had turned up the phone, so I think it's gonna charge faster with the phone off. So it's still red over there. I made it more tight. 100%. See? 100%. There you go. So, alright. Thanks for watching. See you next time.